how to fix front camera not working in Android problem. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can fix the front camera not working in your Android problem. So guys, if your front camera is not working in your Android device, whether it is not opening or whether it is a black screen, okay, if you're facing front camera problem, then simply watch this video. I'll tell you the solution, and after watching this video you can simply fix your problem. Okay, so guys, if you are willing to fix the problem, then just stay tuned with the video. And guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. So now guys, let's start the video without wasting any more time. So at the first step guys, what you have to do here, okay, if the front camera is not working on your device, so you have to go to setting. Okay, go to setting and then guys scroll down until you find the apps. Go to apps and then guys go to manage apps, or you may find here install apps, and then guys go to camera and then force stop it, and after force stop clear the data. Okay, so after clearing the data you have to go to app permissions, allow the permissions, and after allowing the permission restart your phone, and guys go and check, your problem will be definitely fixed. So just do this process and then guys check it, your problem will be solved. If your problem is solved, then guys your job is done. And if you are still having the same problem, then guys try to update your mobile software. Okay, updating your software will help you to fix the problem. So that's it guys. Okay, so these are some solutions to fix your front camera problem in your Android. Okay, if there is no hardware issue, then guys you can simply fix the camera problem by this simple method. Okay, but guys if you are facing hardware issue, then guys you need to go to technician, and then guys you have to tell them what the problem is and what problem you are facing, and they will fix it. Okay, so this is how you can fix the front camera not working problem. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.